This makes your home smell good without flies, mosquitoes, and saving a lot. For our tip today, we will need 3 oranges. The ideal is to cut the oranges in half, being necessary for the tip only 1 part. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Stefania Caboni. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Once we cut the oranges, with the aid of a tablespoon, we will remove all part of the orange from the inside. This part we can consume normally. And then we will put a small part of the other half that we cut. With this, we will close the bottom of the orange. Now we will use coffee, being the main item for this tip. The ideal is to put coffee until almost complete the orange. We will repeat this process in the 3 oranges. I'm sure you will thank me after this video. Enjoy. And tell me if you have used oranges in coffee this way. Do not worry about the amount of coffee used, because this tip can be used more than once and works perfectly against insects. The second main item for this tip is naphthalene, being perfect for use against insects. This tip becomes indispensable to facilitate the preparation. We will put all the naphthalene in a plastic bag and then beat it with a hammer until completely crushed. This will make it easier to mix with coffee. Just 1 tablespoon of naphthalene in each of the oranges is enough. Now we must mix very well all the coffee with naphthalene. With this tip today, you will never again have problems with flies and mosquitoes. To complete, we will need cloves. We will put a good amount on the edges of the coffee. Cloves act directly against insects, and even leaving them in some corner of your home also improves the smell in the environment. To finish, we will also use candle wicks. The ideal is to put a small piece in each of the oranges. Once ready, we just need to light. After burning, it will keep an action inside the coffee, and the smell that exudes through your house will be very pleasant and is what will keep the insects away. We should just put the orange in the place where we have problems with insects and use it this way. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.